panda party, Oreo checkers, cactus cookies, and a curtain for your nose? Check out funny ideas for what to do when you and your friends are bored in our new video. Ben and Dolly are solving a chameleon jigsaw puzzle. Trace a silhouette of a chameleon on a piece of a foam core. Divide it into jigsaw puzzle pieces. Draw an eye. Color the chameleon with acrylic paints. Paint a branch on a piece of paper and place the chameleon onto it. This jigsaw puzzle seems pretty easy because there are only 7 pieces, but the more they use their imaginations, the more interesting our chameleon gets. I really doubt that its paw is supposed to stick out of its head. Finally, the pieces fit together. Hooray! And Blondie is the only person not happy about it. She's acting like a Debbie Downer and doesn't want to play. Well, we'll find a different way to cheer her up. The friends bring a sweet remedy for her winter blues. Look at this cute cactus. Take a sponge cake and cut out a piece to fit a waffle bowl. Cut a flat layer and put it into the waffle bowl. Add some melted white glaze on top of the sponge and attach a green macaroon. Fasten a couple more macaroons on top. Shape a cactus. Decorate it with sugar flowers. Make spines with glaze. This yummy cactus helps Blondie come around little by little. It looks prickly, but it's actually very soft inside, and you can share it with your friends. Everyone comes up with ideas about what to do when there's a snowstorm outside. It's like a fun brainstorm in here. What else can we possibly invent? Maybe? Oh, nope, been there, done that. Dolly has found something interesting. That's not what we need. At last, Ben chooses a theme for a party: pandas. Let's see who will do it better. Shape polymer clay to make ears and attach them to a white ceramic plate. Bake it following the instructions on the package. Paint a panda face on the plate. Dolly makes a panda plate, except that the panda is hidden under a pile of cookies. Blondie puts a little panda on her cup. Draw a panda on a piece of paper. Shape a panda out of polymer clay following the template. Attach it onto a ceramic cup. Fasten the details of a face. Bake it in an oven following the instructions on the package. Add details with ceramic paint when the cup is ready. This panda made a plain cup look amazing. We can even arrange a dinner for our pandas. We wonder if pandas like chocolate chip cookies. But the fuzziest idea of all popped into Ben's head. He sewed panda earmuffs. Wrap acrylic thread around a headband. Cut a circle out of white faux fur. We need 2 pieces. Sew the circles together with the fuzzy sides facing each other. Turn it right side out. Stuff it with hollow fiber filling. Cut panda ears out of black fur. Make eyes and a nose from black and white felt. Fasten a panda head. Make 2 pieces and hot glue them to the headband as earmuffs. Ben, in his panda earmuffs, is the king of the party. With this fluffy accessory, all eyes will be on him for sure. Watch out, ladies! Don't get into a fight. There are definitely enough pandas to go around. Ben is chatting with his love interest. We wonder who all these emojis and hearts are going to. The friends tease the young Casanova with their emoji stress balls. Fill a balloon with cornstarch. Use a funnel. Tie it tightly and cut off the tip. Draw a face with a marker. Make a few balls with different emotions. We have emojis that describe all of Ben's feelings, and we don't even need to use our phones to show it. Just squeeze a soft stress ball. It looks like Ben could use a nice stress reliever now. Ladies, control your emojis. Our naive Ben fell asleep while reading. Bad idea! The girls definitely won't ignore his nap. It's prank time! Attach double-sided tape to a strand of artificial hair. Make pigtails with thin satin ribbon. Decorate them with bows. Cut off the excess. Poor Ben wakes up when he hears noisy laughter. The girls attached a hairy curtain onto Ben's face. We can't decide what's funnier, his unibrow or his nose peeking out of the curtain. At any rate, Ben looks great with this accessory. He stands out of the crowd. Thank goodness our friend has a sense of humor. Blondie invites Ben to draw portraits of each other. The artists are busy creating. But they are missing something unique. Blondie reminds Ben of a unicorn. Let's add some colored pencils. Stick 2 pieces of wire into a cork. Insert 1 piece of wire into the other side and attach 1 more cork to it. Bend it at an angle. Wrap the piece with light clay. Shape a unicorn head. Make nostrils. Shape ears and a horn. Use a toothpick to make a spiral on the horn. Attach a strip of light clay to mark a nose. Let the clay dry. Cut a styrofoam ball in half. Use a hot glue gun nozzle to make holes for pencils. Cover the halves of the ball with light clay. Make holes in the clay with a pencil. Wrap a cork in light clay. Shape a stable stand. Stick a piece of wire inside. That'll be a leg. Make 4 legs like that. Paint all the unicorn pieces white. Coat the halves of the body with glue and dip them into glitter. Fasten the glitter using hairspray. Color the unicorn pieces with pink acrylic paint. Draw eyes using a marker. Hot glue tassels to be a mane. Decorate the head with pompoms and beads. Hot glue a tail. Attach a heart-shaped eraser inside. Assemble all the pieces together. Stick colored pencils in and make a pencil case. Add a cute scarf. Blondie loves this cute little unicorn too. A unicorn pencil case brings an entire rainbow of pencils. Blondie is enjoying her favorite Oreos, and Ben is looking for checkers to play his favorite game. But all the checkers are MIA. Ben comes up with a genius way out. Oreos will be perfect for playing checkers. Put white and black cookies onto a game board. The battle begins! Ben jumps over 5 chocolate crackers at a time. But the rules say that you have to eat all the cookies that you win. Poor Ben! His stomach won't endure his victory. Here, have some milk. Blondie brags about her bright phone case. It reminds her of summer. Trace a phone case on cardboard and cut out a template. Put it into a clear Ziploc folder and cut out a section of it, leaving allowances for fastening. Wrap the piece in parchment paper and seal the edge with an iron. Take the cardboard piece out. Put in glitter. Add coloring to glycerin and pour it inside using a syringe. Seal the remaining side with an iron. Make a camera hole with a hole puncher on the sealed part. Glue the glittering bag to the phone case. Shape light clay to make a strawberry. Make holes on it with a toothpick to be seeds. Shape light clay leaves. Coat the strawberry with acrylic paint. Add yellow light clay seeds and cover it with clear nail polish. Hot glue a heart-shaped piece of Velcro to the back side of the strawberry. Attach the other piece of Velcro to the vase. Make more fruit the same way. For example, a pineapple. Blondie's phone case shines so brightly, and you can change this cute strawberry for any other fruit you want. You can even have an entire harvest. A phone case like this will always look like it's brand new. Ben has an iPad case, and it's number 1 on our chart of awesome cases. Trace an iPad on a sheet of felt. Draw allowances on the sides around it, cut it out, and hot glue a case. Attach one more sheet of felt on top. Cut out a triangular flap. Cut ears out of brown felt. Hot glue them to the case. Fold them outwards. Fasten a felt dog muzzle the same way. Ben isn't afraid of leaving his iPad alone with this case. This scary-looking dog will guard it and frighten off unwanted guests. Ben's tablet is under careful surveillance. Blondie can't make up her mind about which case is better. That's why she takes both of them. Ben is invited to a birthday party. An age-old question: what kind of present should I bring? A comfy pillow? A lamp? Ocean decor? A bee costume? Mary Poppins umbrella? That's not what I need. Then, Blondie remembers about a nice present: a candy bouquet. Draw a ring on colored paper and draw a flower inside. Cut it out following the outline. Make a few flowers of different shapes and colors. Cut leaves out of a green foam rubber sheet. Paint wooden skewers green. Hot glue leaves to every skewer. Put a candy wrapped in foil into each flower. Stick the candies onto the skewers. Put styrofoam into a decorative bucket. Insert the flowers into it. Cover the styrofoam with a green gift filling. Any birthday boy or girl will love this sweet bouquet. There is a candy inside every flower. Ben asks his friend to go outside and have a snowball fight. But cozy Blondie doesn't want to go out in the freezing cold, so Ben delivers a snowball right to her. Mix stationery glue with gel laundry detergent and shaving foam. Mix soft white slime. Shape it into a ball. Blondie doesn't want to touch snow. Don't be silly, it's slime. It stretches out beautifully, and it's not cold at all. You can even play with this snowball slime at home. And meanwhile, Ben makes an entire snowman out of slime. Did you like our ideas for having fun at home? Then write in the comments how you and your friends pass the time when you're bored. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny games and pranks on Troom Troom.